everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this really fun and easy springtime Dotticure. I've already gone ahead and done my accent nail with Glam Polish Sonic Rainbow. So pretty much this Dotticure is going to consist of just using one size of a dotting tool and going in with different colors, any pastel colors I picked because I wanted to do a springtime manicure. So the first color I went in, I used Sally Hansen and Crayola Sky Blue. Then I went in with this beautiful pink called Cotton Candy, followed by a mint green from the collection called Sea Green. Then I used the color Melon. Then I went into like a pinky purpley color called Wisteria. And lastly, I ended with the kind of muted yellow, so it's a canary yellow called Canary. So basically what I did is I went in with one color, I did all three nails, and I just randomly placed these dots until I felt satisfied that I could no longer see my nail line. If the initial colors that you use start to kind of disappear, fade away, like the blue, you can go back in and kind of like re-emphasize or make the dots bigger. Yeah, I think that using 6 colors gave me enough colors and enough variations to work with so that I could completely cover up my nail line. If you wanted to use like a larger dotting tool, for instance, to make larger dots to kind of fill up the area a bit faster and then go back in with a smaller dotting tool, you can do that. But like I said, I just pretty much stuck with just one size dotting tool for this entire manicure, and I was able to get large, medium, and small dots just with the one tool. The size head that I used was like a medium size head, but I think this would be a really fun manicure to recreate, maybe with some neon colors for the summertime, or some darker colors for the winter time, like some more muted colors, or maybe even do like a Halloween manicure using this Dotticure method. So with the top coat, you just have to remember to float your top coat. I went in with one thin layer of top coat, just floated it so I didn't smear anything, and then I went ahead and doubled up on my top coat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!